cold like Simba, don't wanna be king no more. Niggas ain't even on your team no more. Leave you in the first, talk and see you in the fourth. Cause they don't wanna play when they looking at the scope. And they the first I hate when you put it all on the floor. Always treat a motherfucker like they couldn't float. But why the fuck are all these niggas trying to little brummy like I ain't Phil Jackson or Kobe, Jordan, Shaq, Hill, Horace? What it's like to live their life not knowing. The players as great as they coaches. I know the assignment cause I'm who wrote it. If that's a problem, you won't do shit but call me bogey. Better put y'all ass on notice and just keep floating. Nigga, I be coasting. Yeah, I ain't doing what y'all supposed to. You assuming too much like you know some shit. Forgot that you out in the open. Nah, I might not be the dopest. But nigga, I'm potent. Why does it always come full circle? I think time is now so important. Why I stay faded? Trying to do better. I ain't been my greatest, but I get it together, I know I ain't breaking too high, give a fuck, I take it. No, I ain't breaking too high, give a fuck, I take it. Why I stay faded? Trying to do better. I ain't been my greatest, but I get it together, I know I ain't breaking too high, give a fuck, I take it. No, I ain't breaking too high, give a fuck, I take it.
Authentic everything, foundation for fortune, survivor remorse, nobody to hold the torch with. Piss, of course, niggas hardly important to the cause and the culture. Aside from being broke though, fill up my lungs with copious smoke. Supposed to be chosen, niggas is getting old though. Been outspoken, rolling up bud, rolling out these hits. Frozen boy, super cold, whoa. Niggas is big cap, bitches be lying. I never did that cause that shit is childish. I do not get it, I do not buy it. I bring the real back, had to supply it. You know I'm lit, yeah, this shit a science. I had to give back, had to drop fire. Ho, I'm a triple, no chance to deny it. Super cold, I'ma flood the streets till they ice. Turn up and twist that, bitch, I be flying. Toast up the living, man, niggas is dying. Fight to the finish, that's a tip for survival. Taking a mix and taking a hit. I'ma sit back and kick it, my pupils gon' dilate. Been at my limit, still sip at a high rate. Give me a minute, I'll end up an hour late. I've been lit 40 hours straight, nigga.
I stay faded, trying to do better. I ain't been my greatest, but I get it together, I know I ain't breaking too high, give a fuck, I take it. No, I ain't breaking too high, give a fuck, I take it. Why I stay faded, trying to do better.